What's up, guys? I didn't know you had Gigabit Off-road. Your trucks are amazing.
Well, apparently we do, so...
Alright, yo, what's up, my dudes? JJ Bernal here, back in our ultimate video. Today, we're going to be joined by, Brody and Hudson, and now Alex. We're on my private desert, and instead of, Alex's private desert, because, it's not that fun, so... my private desert is fun, so today we are going to be racing in our off-roading vehicle. So everybody follow me. Oh, I just found a goat. Here we go. By the way, guys, this is a really terrible Jeep, so don't be judgy. Hey, I'm trying to talk here. And this Jeep, it's really cheap in the game, so if you want it, just get Gigabit Off-road. And this is actually a really slow Jeep, but I did some upgrades, so it'll be much faster. Yeet! Whee! Whoa! What's happening? Crashing everywhere.
Hey boys, am I actual good?
Oh, I couldn't say it. All right, guys, want a race? Want a race? Hey guys, you want a race? I know the perfect place to do it. If I can find it. Yay! What is going on? Oh, guys, go to where I'm at. I'm about to do a race. I think this is the biggest Gigabit server I ever did or something. Alright, guys. Why am I so laggy? Everybody go to where I'm at. I'm about to race, so if you see a request to race, then click on it. So here we go. What is going on right now? Here we go. Oh no. Oh, no, I hit someone. Who did I hit? Oh, that was Alex. Come on. You guys are gonna lose. I know it. Oh wow, Hudson, your truck is pretty cool looking. Ah, Alex, you fool! I was trying to turn the volume up on the laptop so that my mic could be able to pick up the sound on the laptop. I'm gonna lose. Should have got my other fast ride. Should have got my Baja Mega truck, no, trophy truck. Oh, what's going on? My game's laggy. Oh no! Oh! This is amazing. Yes. By the way, guys, if you want more of Gigabit Off-road, I think you should subscribe to my channel so you can be able to see more of it. Right, guys? And don't sub to PewDiePie because he already reached to over 100 million subs, so don't sub to him. Sorry. Of course you won. I've been dead last. I have the ugliest and slow ride ever. No, I got last. Why am I pulling a wheelie? Wait, who? Was that a tie? I think I declaimed that as a tie. For third and fourth. Yeah. Alright guys, we are now going to do a monster truck rally. So I'm going to choose a different race to do. I'm going to go to this one. Yeah. I'm going to go to this one that's way over here. And, oh jeez. Alright, almost there. Almost there. I made it. Let's do this. Vroom vroom.
What, boys?
Whoa, is that a Volkswagen? Is that a Volkswagen? Nice. Add something like that. Oh no, I missed it.
I suck at this. Oh my gosh. He's all over the place.
Trying to get to this checkpoint that I missed.
I'm probably gonna lose.
I'm already losing right now. Hey! Trying to get to this checkpoint.
Bernie! Get off me!
I stink at this. Ugh, come here. Oh, there we go. Alright.
This be a monster truck or
ID.
Why did we agree to do this?
I don't know. It wasn't my idea.
Because Hudson was like, hey, JJ, you want to make a YouTube video? And then you were like, hey, yeah, sure, that'd be fun.
No, my idea was to drive monster trucks.
And then we were all like, hey, let's get monster trucks, and that'll be totally fun and not disturbing for any of the viewers whatsoever.
I stink at this.
That's how that happened.
I'm gonna set myself to low gear. See if that works.
Come on. Ow! This bug is so awful.
If you set it to low gear, it'll probably be a little bit better.
Call this thing a love bug. Because it needs a lot of
A lot of likes on that video.
for me.
And you said I'm the first one done. You guys aren't even close.
Wait.
You're terrible.
I'm already done.
Guys,
It's because we have monster trucks and Gordon stinks says. I'm in a monster truck, you fool.
who's
I
it?
could have beaten you so hard.
What is the leaderboard right now?
Let's play King of Hammers.
What's that?
Let's just do a King
Something's
of Hammers.
happening.
Yeah.
That'd be
Guys, something just
It's
happened.
a rock crawling / mountain climbing event that they host every year in real life.
Alright, talk about rock climbing.
no, King of the Hammers.
It's the most intense rock climbing ever on Earth.
Vehicle rock climbing.
I'll try to find somewhere where we can rock climb, okay?
Hey boys, how's the race coming out?
I'm having a hard time. I'm having a hard time winning. Who crossed the finish line?
You guys suck!
Has
I
anyone
think Birdie's gonna beat me.
has anyone crossed the finish line yet?
I just won. Or, whatever closest next.
Alright, raise your hand if
And I'm
anyone
gonna
won.
get third. I won!
Alright,
I
who?
got second place.
I got second place, he got third.
I got third.
I think I might have got fourth. Oh no! Alright, let's do rock climbing. Alright guys, so now we are here and we're gonna be doing the best rock climbing ever. Let me show you. Oh, Brody! Yoink! Okay, that was terrible rock climbing. This is how intense they did. Ugh. Bro. I'm going to do it again. Yoink! Let's go somewhere else to do it.
Yeah.
Alright.
I just want to make it up this ledge. Yes.
Alright.
I'm gonna make it up.
I hear a go.
Well, how do you get up there? Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out of the way, dinkus! Urgh. Oh, hang on. Yes! Oh no. Brody, Hudson, what did you do to me? Bro, you knocked me over.
No idea.
Alright, I think we should go find a rock climbing place.
Already found the goat.
I found that goat.
Alright, let's go to the place where we can be able to find it. So I'm gonna pause the video while we find it.
I don't know.
Alright, I think this should count as rock climbing. Get off of me! There we go. And guys,
Oh, I'm tumbling down a hill.
guys, if you watching this video, if you want have some fun, then you're gonna have to subscribe, like I always said in the video. And I lost Hudson.
Ooh. I think it could track me.
Are you still following me? Or...
This is
Are
getting
you guys
intense.
still
Oh
following
no!
me?
Doing my best.
Wait for me. Oh my goodness. Is this it?
I think so. I just went past it, but yeah.
Ah!
It'll work.
Oh, Alex is back.
Sup, boy?
Alex, we're rock climbing. You want to join? Yeah, I'm recording anyway, so. Ooh. Alright, are we there yet?
Are we there?
I'm in the mud now. Use mud toe hook. Oh, something's happening. Ooh. I think I'm hooked up to you, Hudson. Okay, maybe not. Alright, are we there yet? Whoa, something just popped up on my screen. There yet? Alright, I'm gonna pause this while I wait. It won't let me touch it. Oh, there we go. Are we there yet? 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 Hey, is this it?
You furry? No one cares about your dog.
Hey, are we there yet?
Brody.
I'm not a furry.
Brody's not a furry. He just pressing on his own way.
Hey, don't talk while I'm talking. I'm recording right now. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
I found it. Bros, I give
Yes!
you to duct tape his mouth shut.
He can't duct tape his mouth.
Dungeons and Dragons.
What's he doing then?
Almost to where you're at.
Body is going the world is gonna run and it's gonna
Voice crack. Guys, I'm going right. Oh, I think I found it. Alex, is that your rock climbing ride? I don't think so. Alright, hang on, guys. We're here. And wow, this thing is huge. Good job, Mud. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm going to the top. Ugh. Wow, listen, this is intense.
So me and Alex are the best rock climbers ever.
Not as good as me.
We ain't even up here yet, dog. Get on our level.
I'm trying to catch up. Oh no. Oh no, I fell.
I didn't fail
Can't be fun.
I'm cheating.
You're Obama. Obama's definitely
Obama something. Alright, I'm going to react. Where are you guys?
We're continuing the trail.
Which way do you went? Left or right? Which way? Oh, I think I know where you're at now. Let me pause this while I get there. No. Hey guys, I'm here. Which way do you go? Do you went on the Oregon Trail? Oh, there you are. Oh, come on. I'm terrible at this.
I'm a roadblock.
Almost there. I see your trail marks on the thing. Uh-oh, I think Brody and Hudson just left the chat. Alex, are they still on the game?
Nope, I'm playing Roblox.
Wait. Oh no, I'm the only one. What happened to them? Well, what am I gonna do now? Yoink. Oh yeah, I see a commercial of Tom and Jerry with AFV. I think that's supposed to be the brand new movie that's coming out. Okay, I give up. Alright, so for this outro, shout out to Brody, Hudson, and Alex. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!